Hey guys, this is Colin with Red Zombie. Today we're going to be doing an installation video on the new UV glass. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to be showing you how it goes on the phone today. Okay, so to get started, what we're going to do is grab our alcohol cleaning pad, remove it from the packaging, and give the phone a thorough wipe down, making sure that all of the dust and grease and anything that's on the phone is all cleaned off. We just want it to be perfectly clean. And once that is done, we're going to take our microfiber rag and dry the phone, making sure that there is no dust, lint, or liquid remaining on the phone. Our next step is to take the liquid UV and apply it to the center of the phone. Use the entire bottle. Kind of a tip is to rock the phone back and forth and spread the liquid out just a little bit. And then grab your glass and remove the backing. And place the glass right on top. A tip is to make sure that you slowly drop the glass and don't let go until the liquid has reached the edges of the phone. The liquid will continue to flow to the edges. Just give it a few minutes. Once the liquid has flown through the entire screen protector, you'll notice that there's some adhesive coming through the edges. That's totally normal. You just want to wipe it real quick and make sure that it doesn't get inside the phone. Keep in mind the screen will move until we hit it with the ultraviolet light. I like to turn the phone on and make sure that the screen is lined up with the display. Alright, so the next step is to cure the screen using the UV light. And you're going to want to start at one of the corners and evenly light the screen. For the S10 and S10 Plus, or phones that have in-screen fingerprint sensors, it's best to give pressure where the sensor is before you cure it, and then light around to disperse some of the UV solution so you don't get a thick buildup where your sensor is. This is crucial if you want your fingerprint sensor to work properly. Use the light for about 3 to 5 minutes and it will be finished. And just clean up your screen when you're done, wipe all the fingerprints off and make sure you didn't leave any bubbles. As you can see, the screen protector fits perfectly on the phone. It doesn't have any bubbles. And it's also case compatible. As you can see, the screen is case compatible. This is one of our new Red Zombie Tough Style cases. It's a 3-piece design with excellent shock absorption. As you can see, the screen is well protected with borders and bumpers around all 4 corners. And it fits perfectly with the UV Red Zombie tempered glass. With the Red Zombie UV glass, I wanted to demonstrate the fingerprint sensor, as you can see located here. A lot of these screen protectors will not actually activate the fingerprint sensor if it's not done properly, but as you can see, it works perfectly.